Go carpet cleaning in Sandy Springs, Georgia. Testimonials. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we not only want your carpets to be spotless, we want you to be healthy too. We only use natural and eco-friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your family, including pets. Our team is dedicated to providing outstanding service so your carpets look and smell great. Go Carpet Cleaning offers some of the best carpet cleaning options in Sandy Springs. With carpets, area rugs, and upholstery all being gettable services from us, you're guaranteed to be satisfied. Not only that, but we use natural products for all of our cleanings so even tough stains are no match. Here's what our customers have to say about their experience with us.
Gal came out on a Sunday when we came home from out of town, and our dog had had a really messy accident all over the carpet. My husband used our carpet cleaner, but it didn't touch the stains and smell. He came out 2 hours later and got the stains and smell out. Highly recommend him. Super nice guy and very professional.
Gal was great. He took the time to address my needs and corrected any areas of concern. Thanks for your service.
In addition to carpet cleaning, did you know we also do professional pet stains and odors cleaning? A black light helps us to identify pet stains that you may not be able to see with the naked eye. We then use our carpet cleaning machines to work the stain out of the fibers, ensuring your carpets are as clean as possible. The deep clean option is recommended for carpets that are extremely soiled, or have pet smells. This method allows for more agitation to remove tough spots. If you want to know more about Sandy Springs, keep watching. The city of Sandy Springs is the best location for people looking for great amenities and wonderful sights. It is a large city nestled in northern Fulton County, Georgia. Regional sites include Sandy Springs Library, Perimeter Mall, the Austin Johnson House, which is the oldest house in the city, and many more intriguing places. Sandy Springs area has many properties of playgrounds, such as Morgan Falls Overlook Park, Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, Riverside Park, Hammond Park, and the list goes on. Our team would be delighted to assist you with your carpeting needs, or any of our additional services. If you live in or near Sandy Springs, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning@atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/sandy-springs-ga or call us at 678-818-5698.